What's up guys, Carlo here, Horsepower Industries. Welcome back to the shop. Another Friday here at the shop, and just finished working on this car. Actually, not really completely done with this SL55 AMG. Me and Greg were working on this car for a couple of days already. Actually, yeah, a total of like 12 hours so far. And reason why we're working on this car for that long is because we're installing a set of VVK coilovers. As you can see, this car is originally hydraulic suspension. So it has hydraulic suspension before. ABC is what they call it, ABC suspension. And in order to do a coilover conversion on this car, you have to do a lot of like removing old parts. So yeah, so pretty much like remove hydraulic lines and then remove the hydraulic suspension in place of the coilover right there. So actually it's a nice setup. And then also I have to remove the subframe. This whole thing I had to remove the subframe so we can install this sway bar right there. This sway bar. It comes with the kit, and I haven't done the end links yet. I literally just like installed that like maybe an hour ago, but I'm gonna do the end links probably Monday. Maybe install the end link and then adjust the front suspension, the coilover, and button it up, and then we're gonna do the rear, the rear coilovers as well. So on this car, we definitely need to also remove the subframe. That whole entire thing, we have to remove the whole subframe. And then disconnect the brakes and actually remove the exhaust too. That way, like you get more room. But yeah, so that's one. Yeah, SL55 AMG. And then we got my buddy's car right here, Mike. Gonna do some work on this car. He wants to change the wheels, and then I have to remove the rear diffuser. So let's see here. Forgot what brand this thing is, but we're gonna remove the rear diffuser, and you know, gonna keep it like, you know, no diffuser, so it's gonna be like bare in the back. All right, let's go here, Adam's shop. See what he's doing here. Yo, yo, yo! It's just perfect timing, huh?
Man's gotta do, man's gotta do.
Oh shit! Look at this. Oh man, look at this Fast and Furious car. Hey, what's up, Nico? Oh, it's cracking. Adam Swan here, and look at his shop, dude. Like, what? His shop and apartment up there is like, it's a whole new, like, different shop now, dude. Dang. All right, so what you got here, bro? Yeah. Oh, clutch kit. Gonna install.
Well, ACT kit.
Yeah.
For,
Yeah, actually, Lawrence.
Oh no, I know. Lawrence said was it Brian? No, that was.
Oh, oh yeah. At the movie. But yeah, it looks like the movie car, really. Look, see, it's freaking badass. But yeah, so Adam's gonna install ACT clutch kit with the flywheel. I think this is a street light flywheel. And this is actually the best ones that we, you know, aside from the XZD clutches, we do a lot of ACT clutch kits here at the shop, so highly recommended, especially for you. But honestly, me, like I like ACT and XZD.
The irony of all the.
All right, I know, right?
It gotta get. It even had an ACT in it.
Oh really? I didn't know.
I was like trying to take pictures.
Oh right, yeah. You had ACT. You had the old. This is the old ACT. That Works did like years ago. Oh, you know what? Is it ACT? No, it's weird because like the.
Definitely the disc.
No, the disc is ACT, but the pressure plate is XZD. This is a Daikin plate, like an OE.
Yeah.
So he did have an ACT, but the disc was the ACT disc. But just when I checked this out like last year, and I said, hey dude, you have it is not an ACT pressure plate, but it is a Exetti or Dakin pressure plate with the ACT disc and a stock flywheel. Yeah, because they use a ACT monolock collar, but that's not an ACT pressure plate. No. So I don't know why. Anyway, yeah. So Adam's he's the man for the job. So yep. Okay. Good stuff, man. Yeah, he just replaced the rear main seal too.
Yeah, this thing's got a lot of
and a few more things that needs to get replaced. Looks like the transmission is good. Just replaced the release bearing, throttle bearing. Yeah, right on. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone, bro.
Right on.
Cool. I'll see you guys later. We have to go get this car right here. Another customer car got dropped off a couple hours ago. Another Subaru STI. Subis, man, like always have problems. Look at this car. Woo! What's up, dude? That's Tommy, by the way. Woo! That's badass. That's badass. All right, so we got a car that got dropped off this morning, and oh, it's right there, right behind my truck. So let's go check out this car because apparently this car is like smoking out the window. So there's my truck, my trusty old Tundra. It's like 12 years old. Had this truck for 12 years. Anyways, here, so let's go check out this car. Let's bring it inside the shop. See what it needs. Woo! All right, so supposedly this thing like smokes. So let's see if it's smoking right now. Cold start. I don't see any smokes yet, so no smoke yet. All right, let's go back. Let's go bring it inside the shop and see what's going on. I can see, oh, yeah, I can definitely, yeah, it's definitely smoking. And it's not good because that thing has a head gasket problem. I don't think it's a turbo problem. Because normally, if the turbo is blown, that smoke, it should have smoked already from the first start. But I don't know. Let me go pop the hood and see what's going on. Alright guys, so I just popped the hood and actually open up the radiator cap, the upper on the reservoir and the lower. And this thing was already pressurized, which is like I mean, I already started the car, but normally it shouldn't be that much pressure, especially if it's like if the motor's still cold. And I have a feeling this thing has a head gasket problem. I've done so many, diagnostic work in my life, 24 years. And this thing's not even like secured. But I think it's possible that this thing has a head gasket. Like smell that. Yeah, this is gonna be bad if the head gasket is, because supposedly this motor was like was rebuilt, supposedly, by a shop I'm not gonna mention, but it's possible that the head gasket it's not sealing. Either the head gasket's not sealing, or there's a problem with either the cylinder head or the block. But let me go start it and see. Actually, I'm gonna put my my bleeder funnel here, and then that way doesn't like splatter over. But yeah, let me put that on first. All right, so I just like added water, and I don't like what I'm seeing here. You guys see that bubble? Yeah, it's bubbling a lot. Yeah, see that? So it means that there's like the system is pressurized. So yep, there's the head gasket issue, or there's like a cylinder head that's cracked, or a cylinder wall, or somewhere in the cooling system that is pressurized, or even actually the combustion chamber too. It's probably like there's a leak somewhere, but the motor is nice and cold still. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's pressurized too. It's cooling. No wonder this car is smoking. So like, there's definitely coolant going through the combustion chamber right now, and you can definitely I can smell coolant too. And you know, I've like I said, I've done it so many times. I can tell like if the pretty much just by feel or by smell, but yeah, that's a lot of air. So we'll see. We'll let this thing idle for like 2 minutes and see how bad is the smoke on the tailpipe. I want to see the smoke, and then go from there. Let's check this out. Woo! Yeah, it's definitely smoking now. Yeah, I don't know. It smells like burnt oil too, but it's not good. Oh, shoot.